Okay, 3.
Go ahead.
I was getting the countdown so we both can eat it.
Sorry, I was too anxious.
Hey guys!
Welcome back to the channel. We hope you're all doing amazing. So I am here with Mr. Quincy, and we are going to be also known as
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Today we are going to be doing a Dollar Tree, get it or
Forget it.
so we have, Quincy's going to show us number 1. We have, what brand is this? Continental Chef Brownie Cookie, kind of like a little mix thing. Y'all, if you hear some wind, it is crazy wind right now. I have, this is new, it's called Enticing.
Yeah, my brother's not here because he has to go to school. Also, my dad is not here because he had to work.
Awesome. So the next item that we're also going to do is Enticingly Easy Funnel Cake Mix. This is exciting because I never saw this before. I'll put a previous video where I did a Dollar Tree funnel cake before. That was super old and it was like 4 years ago. So I'm like, wow, let's bring it on back with this one. We hope that you guys enjoy the video. If you do, please be sure to give it a thumbs up.
And subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you. We put out new videos every single week. Alright, you guys, let's get started. We are going to make Quincy's first, the brownie cookie, and we have everything like all set up. So let's get started. You ready?
Yep.
You excited to taste test?
Yep.
Okie dokie. Let's get started, you guys. One thing that I did notice is that there weren't a lot of ingredients. So I really like that when you find things from Dollar Tree that there's not a ton of ingredients in there. So that's the cookie. Let's do the brownie first.
We just need a lot, right?
Yep.
Oh, do you smell that?
Yeah. It smells like chocolate, huh? Oh, very good. Okay, wash your hands.
Okay, here we go.
So the next step is the
I can do
melted
it.
butter. Be careful because it's a little bit warm. Okay, mix it on up gently, right? So in the directions it says to use a square like 8x9 pan. We don't have that. So we're going to use a circle pan and we lined it with parchment paper so that we have easy cleanup. So Quincy's going to go ahead and put the brownie mix in there and then we're going to do the cookies. And then let's do the base of it and then we can do it.
I could do that so easy.
Very carefully, please.
Like we need a lot.
You have to pour it all in there.
Let me smell it.
Okay. Don't put your face in it though. And then you put the butter in there. Uh-oh. It's okay.
I already did 2, Mom. 2 drops.
No, you pour that all in there.
Mix the butter. 21st day. Oh no. One day, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All day.
Here's a look at how the cookie dough is looking. There's not very many chocolate chips. I'd probably add more chocolate chips if it was my recipe, but the instructions say to take a spoon and scoop it in. You want to do it, Quincy?
Now we have to do big.
Over here, maybe.
No, over here. The hands have to go down. Okay, now we only need.
Don't lick your hands because that's yucky. Here, let me do this. Don't lick your fingers.
It's yummy.
Yeah, but then you have to wait until you're done cooking to lick your fingers or you spread your germs.
Now we have to cook it for 25 to 30 minutes. Be right back. Peace.
While that's cooking, I'm going to start working on the funnel cake. And another thing that I like about the funnel cake is there's not a lot of ingredients in here either. Just a few. I think this is like pancake mix. We need 1 egg, 3/4 cup milk, the funnel cake, and then oil. Now that it's getting cold, it's like the season where I just want to stay inside and cook and bake and make dinner. It's like, no, I do not want to go outside in the cold. Once I come home, it's like I'm not going nowhere. So summer, I want to be outside, do more, and then fall comes and I'm like, no thank you. Okay. It's mixed pretty good. I'm going to let the oil get hot and then we'll come back and fry this baby up. It says you need a funnel, so I'm going to get a funnel. So I was able to get this funnel. I had it from Dollar Tree. I've had it for such a long time. It comes in like a whole little pack. So far so good. You can find basically everything that you need except for the egg and milk. Well, you really could if you go to a certain Dollar Tree, but those are all easy things. It wasn't like you needed too much stuff, and yeah, it looks pretty good so far. Put some parchment paper down. Put some paper towels. Okay, I think it should be good. Let's try. I'm gonna take my funnel, my mix.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone.
My hole is a little bit too small in this one.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what
I would say that one
when
was
I'm
like fail.
Let's try
that renegade. Let's take all this stuff out. And I'm gonna attempt to use this one. Pretty good. Yeah, actually it's good. It looks like crap, but it tastes good.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine.
Okie dokie, y'all. So we got Mr. Quincy here. Turn around and face the camera. He's gonna try it for us.
Wait,
I like the sugary pieces.
I like this one. Okay, 3.
Go ahead.
I was getting the countdown so we both can eat it.
Sorry, I was too anxious.
No, I have to eat that one.
Oh. Okay. Ready?
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I only had to eat a little piece.
What do you think?
Good.
But you don't really like funnel cake, do you?
No. But I like this one more better. You can get it at Dollar Tree.
Mm-hmm.
Or Walmart.
So thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
We gotta make some for Bobby when he gets home. I would say get it. Our other one in the oven is almost done.
Check, check, check. We're back.
It looks pretty good. It looks like it does on the box after it's cooled a bit. You got your piece?
Yep.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Mmm. 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 That's so good. Right, Mom?
Yeah.
I didn't even make a mess.
It tastes more like brownie than it does cookie, right?
Yeah.
Very sweet. Which one was your favorite?
Both.
Which one would you recommend?
Both.
So Mr. Handsome Boy's home from school. So they taste homemade, right?
Yeah, they taste good. I like the texture of it. It's very soft, I would say.
Yeah, not hard, right?
Soft, and then like this part, you have the crispy part right here.
Yeah.
You have this crispy brownie part, and then you have this nice and flat, like delicious like vanilla part. It's like
Yeah,
vanilla
that's
and
supposed to
chocolate.
be a cookie.
It's like vanilla and chocolate, but the
Can
cookie
you guess where it's from?
Dollar Tree.
Yeah. Does it taste like Dollar Tree? So it's a get it or forget it?
Get it.
Get it. I like them. Let me know if you guys have tried them for yourself. Are they a get it or a forget it for you? I would love to know what you guys have to say. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. If you guys have not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you click subscribe before you go. Give the video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, or if you liked it. It would mean the world to me. If you guys are a real one that made it to the end of the video, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all of you. Leave the word yummy in the comment section down below so I know who the real ones are, the ones that make it to the end. I love you guys. Here are a few from my previous video. I absolutely love to read how you guys use our secret word, so leave the word yummy in the comment section down below. I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending some time with me and Mr. Quincy, and we will see you guys super soon for another video. Bye, you guys.